Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel, try it yourself. Today's project is I'm gonna have to do repair on my plastic welding kit. If you are on my channel watching my videos, I showed you what you can do with this thing, but I had a little trouble. This is the tip on this solder welder, whatever you're gonna call it, is actually out of softer metal. And what I did, got too excited pushing this thing, bending to the point that it got broke over here on the inside. So today's project, I bought this kit. Not exactly sure what the proper name is, but broken screw out something. And the cool thing about this one, it comes with a left threaded bits to pull it out, and also it comes with the left sided drill bits. So basically when you're gonna drill it, it will pull, supposedly not gonna tighten, but possibly unwinding the broken screw. So I'm gonna start with my cordless bit, but I think the chuck maybe gonna keep unscrewing if I'm gonna be doing that, but we'll see. If it's gonna start happening, then I will take the drill with the chuck. I'm gonna secure this thing in the vise so it wouldn't, I don't want to do it too tight. Bad thing about this thing, it's actually have a little tip over there, so I'm gonna try to go really careful not to damage the thread. So the smallest one in this kit, the smallest drill bit in this kit, so the smallest drill bit is actually small enough that it should work over here. So gotta make sure that we have it in reverse, because well, in this case it's actually shouldn't be too hard. I'm just gonna try to stay as close as possible to the center, because this is a soft metal, so it's gonna be much harder when it's gonna be like a real bolt or something. But this one, as you can see, and you gotta be slow. This is a slow process, you don't want to rush it. But So here's how the hole looks like. It's not exactly center, but I didn't touch the thread, which that was the main goal, and hole is deep enough. For this thing to get in there and start doing that thing. So we'll see how that goes. So now I'm gonna get this step on. Again, you gotta be reversed too. And just like that. So there you go. This thing is on a soft metal. Right here, I didn't even drill it all the way out. So I gotta be really careful because I still need to do the thread, so I need to measure the thread off of this one before I damage it too much. So just like that, that's how you use this kit. Again, this was super easy because this is brass, which is really soft metal, really easy to drill. It's gonna be a little bit harder when you're gonna be using on the steel and stuff like that, but anyway, this thing worked for me. So thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in kit like this, I'm gonna leave a link below this video in the description, and don't forget to give me a like for this video if it was helpful for you, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to do that as well. Thank you for watching, and good luck.